Hi, I'm John.
And I'm Paul, and we vlog our cruises and getaways. In this vlog, we're making our way to Canterbury after staying over in Faversham, as it's only a short drive. Join us as we explore the beautiful city streets, relax on a Canterbury punt, and wander in the awe-inspiring cathedral.
We arrived at 8 to park at Whitefriars car park, which is here, but it was closed. But then, so we parked in a nearby car park, came back, and then Whitefriars was open. We thought we'd been robbed by the other car park.
Watling Street.
Yeah, $3.70 an hour, but actually it's the same as Whitefriars. It's got the council sign on it, so it must be the going rate here for parking, which we're not used to where we're from.
No, we're just so out of touch.
Where are we?
You are here. Where's the Beaney house?
There. So we're here, and we're going to go and see the Beaney House of Art and Knowledge. And I find it interesting that a town centre is actually a shopping centre as well. So it's sort of managed.
Yeah, there's like an arcade there, look. It's just in a new sense, isn't it? It's a bit like Exeter has one of these, Bath has one of these sort of shopping areas. It's like they take what, the beautiful hanging basket. Funny what I was looking at. I was looking at the beautiful hanging baskets there, and John was looking at the top of the cathedral up there. He pointed and I thought he was pointing to the hanging basket. Bath, Canterbury and York are quite similar in some ways, like just because of historic places. And each of them now have these sort of shopping areas which are integrated into the the city centres, like have like a new bit like this that's been done quite sort of tastefully. Come to Canterbury to buy your Elizabeth Tower in every variation of colour.
I think it's for tourists, it is.
Yeah, it's a bit of a touristy thing. I've never had one of these chimney cakes, have you?
No.
Such an interesting building, isn't it? Yeah. Did it opened in 1898?
And if you want to visit it now, it's a library and museum.
It wasn't open, so we'll show you inside later in the video.
I know where you lost your concentration then. It's so funny. So we see, I'm talking to John like about stuff, and then he sees another parking place, and he wants to see how much it costs because he wants to see like how much it compares.
It's for disabled badge holders only.
So he loses complete concentration.
So we're walking down a sweet little lane, which I think should take us to the Crooked House.
Interesting garden, isn't it? It's like, is it a community garden or is it? It's got a key. That wisteria would have been lovely like a month ago.
You like wisteria, don't you?
I do. I think it can be really attractive. Oh wow! The old synagogue. Just go down one lane and you see something like unusual you weren't expecting to see. Here, this is it. Is it it? Is that it?
I don't know.
It looks crooked. Look at it.
Yeah. This is the Crooked House.
Is that what it's called, this one?
Yeah, Crooked House. It dates back to the 17th century.
The building, now a second-hand bookshop, is crooked because the chimney breast was removed. It's now kept in place by a steel frame all around it.
I like the flint.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. Look at the door.
You can hear the church bells. Esmeralda, Esmeralda, the bells, the bells. Oh yeah, really colourful. You can hear the water. Like an old weir or something. Is it a mill? Yeah, Miller's Arms. Or the mill, see where the wheel would have been? Wow. The Parrot is the oldest pub in Canterbury. Let's see if there's any come over and film the history.
Got an old dog.
Established in 1370.
Wow.
Originally known as St Radigund's Hall, the Parrot is one of the oldest pubs in Canterbury. Geoffrey Chaucer makes mention of the imitative powers of parrots in his Canterbury Tales. But there's like a weird like area here. It must have been like an old building or something. This feels a bit like going back to Rhodes. Those flowers are gladioli. I know, they're beautiful, aren't they? God, look at those, they're not beautiful. So, in front of us, and this church building here, part of it is a Roman wall. So you see there where the brick part is, just above it there's like flinty part, and that's the Roman part. We are in Bakers and Baristas. John's over there waiting for our order. What have we got?
Biscoff muffin.
It's a share between the two of us.
Strawberry lemonade.
Strawberry lemonade.
You've had iced lattes.
I got iced latte, but amaretto iced latte.
Ooh.
You looking forward to it?
Yeah. We're gonna half it. Rations.
We left the coffee shop where you'll find the Geoffrey Chaucer statue and continued our exploration.
This is quite like the famous bit, like all them films. This bit just here, because there's like you got this part like the old Reaver's house.
Isn't it pretty next to the river? And the cathedral bells make it so quaint. In case you're interested, here is a brief look at the menu.
Huge, isn't it? Like the gatehouse.
Yeah.
Gatehouse and jail.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
So was Westgate Tower as a jailhouse?
It said, yeah, it said the largest gatehouse and jail in still standing in the UK. What's the point of having a gatehouse when you can just go around the outside?
Gonna have a walk now to a nice little gardens next to the river.
Romantic. That's a bulbous tree. It's girthy,
Yeah.
isn't it? It's like looks like a rock with branches coming out of it.
So we're just walking over the bridge over the Great Stour.
Got lots of wildlife here apparently.
Yeah.
It's pretty here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice they got this right near the town centre.
Mm.
It is getting rather warm now though.
Yeah, it's
I
in
feel.
probably the mid-20s now.
Yeah.
We've been in a lot of shade in the
Which has
park.
been lovely.
Which has been lovely, yeah. We took a little breather for a while from town.
Yes.
Would definitely recommend it. Whilst we're walking on the path, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and like to see more things like this from us. It's been a while since we had the cake with the drinks, but I thought the cake was really nice. I thought it didn't look it, but actually it was the freshest muffin I've ever had in my life, I think, because it just been baked. It was like a cake.
Makes such a huge difference when something's like just been baked and it was still like warm, wasn't it?
Yeah, and all gooey inside. It was so nice.
Oh, and the biscuit was crunchy on the top.
And we're half the calories because we ate half each.
We headed back into town, walking past the castle which is currently under renovation.
So what do you think of the castle, John? Look. Well,
Sadly, it's like not the time of year at the moment in June 2025 to see it, but
yeah, they've been doing this since 2023 apparently.
when's it supposed to be finished?
Didn't say, but like we walked like lots of different ways to try and find it. We found it.
To be fair, I didn't know that it was.
Did you know?
I knew that like there was stuff being done. I just didn't know to what extent.
It's basically the whole building, isn't it?
Yeah. Just gonna look at some house prices as usual.
That's not bad.
Oh yeah, bungalow. It's 325.
Yeah. Might be a busy road, maybe.
Yeah. Don't think quainter.
There's like an apartment in the like sort of
those
newish block.
Those are the ones I looked at when
that's
I was
cute,
like
yeah.
left uni. It's like
How many
280.
square feet is it?
So it's 280 for a 2-bedroom house.
We're back at the Beaney house now, so let's take a look inside. The Beaney house of art and knowledge is both beautiful and quirky and is home to all sorts of artifacts and local art. It is also home to the original Bagpuss puppet, as Canterbury was the creative home of the show's creators.
Oh, Bagpuss and Clangers. Nostalgic.
It's quite big in here. I don't think it would be.
Lots of exhibits, isn't there?
Yeah.
You liked Read at the Bear, didn't you?
No. It's good this museum takes us out of the sun and it's completely free as well. And it's quite interesting.
Taylor Tickles is a drag queen and comedy performer who is known for leading the Canterbury Pride Parade.
So we're about to go punting again. Last time we punted it was a winter and it was freezing in Cambridge.
Yeah.
So we're doing it in some nice sunshine in
It is,
Canterbury.
it's really warm.
Just so you know, the punting company has a cafe to grab drinks beforehand.
It is going to get pretty low under this building, so do please mind your heads. This is the lowest point of the tour. The legend of a woman was accused of being a witch. She'd be strapped at a stool and dunked in the river.
As we passed by the 12th century Poor Priest Hospital, we reflected on the tour.
So I enjoyed the punting tour. It was different doing it shared,
Yeah,
but it was relaxing.
it was really relaxing and it was not very long, the route, was it?
No.
And I think there was like just as many things to see and talk about as in Cambridge. Maybe a little bit less,
Yeah.
few less things,
But still nice way to
it
see
was
the city.
really peaceful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But then we headed back into the city around lunchtime to see more streets and grab some refreshments before the cathedral visit.
See the cathedral from everywhere.
Yeah. Beautiful, like you look up there and see
Yeah.
the brick and then the next layer and the next layer. And it was so beautiful.
We didn't fancy much, so stopped at the city fish bar for a cheeky bag of chips.
Paul's putting salt and vinegar on his chips. Just having salt and vinegar for a little snack.
Favourite shop.
What were you saying about Edinburgh Woolen Mill? They're only in the Cotswolds?
They're like everywhere, aren't they?
We were flagging, so stopped for a much needed iced latte at Fringe and Ginge. And then it was time for our final attraction, Canterbury Cathedral. Canterbury Cathedral was England's first. It is the spiritual heart of the Church of England. It was founded in 597 AD and is in a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are some controversial plans to turn Christ Church Gate into a one-bedroom Airbnb apartment. Until then, Canterbury Cathedral Lodge offers good value and there are a few other good hotels nearby.
Ooh, it's all been cleaned.
Somewhere that I've always wanted to come and never come. Never wanted to pay this way, but finally I did, and it should be cool to have a look and see what it's like.
Yeah. Circular route and the toilets are in the same direction-ish.
The Canterbury Warhorse is just over 6 metres and is a wooden sculpture created to honour the 8 million horses that sadly died during World War I. We decided to visit the Memorial Garden to reset before entering the cathedral.
Oh, those are pretty, aren't they?
Pretty flowers.
Are they dahlias, do you think?
I have no clue.
John's an expert on flowers and birds. Tell us
Yes,
it.
I've seen a poppy.
I do like a walled garden. Seed head are quite beautiful sometimes as well, aren't they? Some seed heads.
On the walk back, we noticed another one of the 7 baobab trees that were planted in key notable locations across the city. Our final stop now, inside.
Oh, it's nice and cool. Is this where the Archbishop of Canterbury stands? In this pulpit here?
Maybe.
Huge, isn't it, the tapestry? Look, the way it reflects on the glass. The stained glass windows. Doesn't do it justice. It's weird.
So we hope you enjoyed our little Canterbury vlog.
We've had a really nice day
Yeah.
today here. It's been amazing.
Yeah, and we like the little stop at Faversham first
Yeah,
as well, which
that's
is
such
good.
a beautiful little town.
Yeah,
Lots of little like things to discover there.
Yeah.
More than you think, sort of shops, and best of all, it had a really good wool shop, good yarn shop.
so if you like this video and want more from us, give us a thumbs up, subscribe,
I don't know about wanting more.
and consider subscribing to see lots of other travels that we do.
Yeah. See you
See you next time.
next time. Bye.
Bye.
There was so much more we could have seen if we had time, so we definitely will be back.